Welcome to the NEET 2025 Physics Crash Course. Hey everyone. I'm Naveen Chahal, a PhD scholar with 8 years of experience in teaching physics for NEET and JEE mains. I know physics can be challenging, but with the right approach, it becomes easy in scoring. In my NEET 2025 Physics Crash Course, I'll help you master concepts with clarity, learn smart problem-solving techniques, practice the most important NEET and JEE questions. Let's make physics simple and fun. This course includes following modules. Physics Crash Course for NEET 2025. Why this course matters. Mastering physics effectively boosts your NEET scores, and through this course, you will. It helps students master physics effectively to boost their NEET scores. Ready to master physics? Enroll now, it's free of cost. Let's get started and elevate your NEET preparation together.